Muon. The term muon refers to a subatomic particle that belongs to the lepton family. Muons are similar to electrons, but they are about 200 times heavier and have a negative charge. They are formed in high-energy cosmic ray collisions in the Earth's atmosphere and can also be produced in particle accelerators. Muons have a short lifespan, typically decaying into an electron, 2 neutrinos, and an antineutrino. Despite their short lifespan, muons are crucial in various scientific research, including particle physics experiments and studies of cosmic rays. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of muon in different contexts. 1. Particle physics. Scientists at the Large Hadron Collider study the behavior of muons to better understand the fundamental particles and forces that make up the universe. 2. Cosmic rays. Muons are constantly bombarding the Earth's surface due to interactions between cosmic rays and particles in the atmosphere. 3. Muon tomography. This technique uses the scattering of muons to create images of the interior of large structures, such as volcanoes or pyramids, without invasive procedures. 4. Muon decay. Muons decay into other particles, such as electrons, which can be detected and studied to learn more about the properties and behavior of muons. Overall, muons are fascinating particles that play a crucial role in our understanding of the subatomic world and the cosmos. Their unique properties and behavior make them valuable tools in various scientific disciplines.